welcome to Sing versus King. Well, Sing versus King, Sing versus King, Sing versus King is of course on my mind, and I'm sure it's on your mind too if you want to go watch the movies. The big question is, which one should I watch? Should I watch Sing or should I watch King? Should I watch Sing or should I watch King? Well, I would personally watch both of them, but if you want to choose one of them, it is always very important to go and ask the public that have seen the movie which is the bigger of the two movies, and they, the public, are always right. And that's exactly what we did. Here's a cross section of public across Delhi and Mumbai, and this is what they had to say about Sing or King. That is of course Son of Sardar and Jab Tak Hai Jaan.
Son of Sardar.
Yeah, it's nice, funny.
Super hit.
Super hit.
कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ये सवाल आता है कि अगर दुनिया में सरदार न होते तो क्या होता?
How about Ajay Devgn as a Sardar? What would you say?
He's looking very beautiful. He's beautiful, nice.
Ah, he looks good, really good.
Awesome movie it was. Both fun and romance.
Okay, how about Sonakshi Sinha?
Sonakshi is nice, very sexy and very awesome.
Done a great.
Ajay and Sonakshi Sinha.
Excellent couple. Great movie, great movie.
What would you recommend to the audience?
Better watch. You have to better watch.
I think it's gonna be better than Yash Raj movie.
आपको मेरी कसम, अब तो ये कसम उतार दो।
परमिंदर, पावर वाले चश्मे से चढ़ाई हुई कस्में एक बार चढ़ जाती है ना तो उतारी नहीं जाती।
It's entertaining. Brilliant movie on Sardars, and I love Salman Khan and Ajay Devgn, so I think to watch
it. The whole movie is awesome. Shah Rukh is just too good, too good.
छूली जिस्म की खुशबू तू जो पास आई, तू जो पास आई, तू जो पास आई.
The film is just okay. I gave 2.5 stars.
It's a good movie.
Yash Raj is last.
Yes, Shah Rukh was best.
Okay.
Katrina is so hot.
Shah Rukh Khan, Yash Chopra, the last film together.
Both rocks.
चला की लभदा फिरे यारों दा घर केड़ा लोकां तो पुछदा फिरे.
Yeah, movie is amazing. The performance of Shah Rukh Khan is like amazing performance, but it's a different movie. There's a whole lot of twists in the love story. It's not predictable, but it's a cool movie.
बहुत अच्छी movie. I love it. I love Samar Anand. Love you, Shah Rukh Khan.
Yash Raj has produced his best, and he has saved the best for the last.
Would you think they've saved the best for the last?
Yeah, the legend lives on.
How about Katrina Kaif and
I don't think it goes for Shah Rukh and Yash Raj, so yeah.
He has kept love alive in this world. I think everyone should go and watch it. The movie is really very nice. Just an awesome movie, trust me.
आपको भी लगता है the jury is still out on this one, है ना? So we said let's make it sure. So what did we do? We went across to Mumbai to speak with Lada, our correspondent, and he of course found out from cinemas what the advance booking was all about. Here's what he had to say.
Well guys, my day started at 7 AM in the morning when I logged into a theatre to watch Son of Sardar. Let me tell you that the hall was half full at 7 AM in the morning. Then it was time for Jab Tak Hai Jaan at 10 AM. Well, the show was completely full. Now that is really the story out here in Mumbai. You know, seems like Jab Tak Hai Jaan has opened up to bigger and better response, whereas Son of Sardar is just getting there. Now the reason being the screen count actually. The screen count, the number of shows for Jab Tak Hai Jaan is far more than the one for Son of Sardar. But the good thing being that both the films are being lapped up by the audiences, especially Jab Tak Hai Jaan, given the fact that it is Yash Chopra's last film Also the fact that you have Shah Rukh and Katrina together for the first time. So Salman Khan factor clearly at work over there. Whereas Son of Sardar is concerned, well, you have Ajay Devgan doing a marvelous job, as Jassi Paji, and of course the typical mindless fun that is associated with action comedy. In fact, I have with me my young colleague Susan Jose, who's actually been celebrating Diwali by actually doing rounds of the theatres. How are you doing?
I'm doing really good, and I've been enjoying doing rounds of the theatres, very honestly.
Okay, so let me just, before we wrap up this, Susan, how's the response been of the audiences about Jab Tak Hai Jaan and for Son of Sardar?
Well, to be very honest, Jab Tak Hai Jaan is inching forward in the race, obviously has a lead, because people seem to be in love with Shah Rukh, and his fans are definitely, with all their loyalty, have come here. But when it comes to Son of Sardar, it's a bit of mixed reviews. Some people are liking it, some people are not. But when it comes to Jab Tak Hai Jaan, well, most of them seem to like it.
Okay, last question, which one will you see?
Jab Tak Hai Jaan.
Okay, well, so we have a Shah Rukh fan over there. Should I say Shah Rukh fan anyway? Okay, Ajay Devgan will get upset with you. But anyway, guys, we will say go and watch both the movies. They're very different tastes. They cater to very different audiences. I'm sure you're going to go have fun. Take care.
And now let's talk about the biggest premiere in a long time. Everything, of course, for Yash Ji. It was indeed a night to remember as the stars descended on the red carpet for an event that was easily the power-packed evening of the year. Well, it certainly was celebrating Yash Chopra and his kind of Bollywood. Well, Bollywood giving a fitting farewell to the man who made millions of hearts melt with his sheer treatment. This, of course, is the big premiere. You can see the who's who of Bollywood are here. Well, Amitabh Bachchan, Rani Mukherjee, the works, you name it. Preeti Zinta, of course, Shah Rukh Khan and Katrina too were there. The industry had come out to celebrate the king of romance, the legendary Yash Chopra. It was a star-studded red carpet. The Bachchans, of course, were there. Then there was Amir, there was Imran, Hrithik, Suzanne, Akshay. Everybody walked the red carpet. And what a night this was. The stars were out in full shine. Anil Kapoor, of course, there. As you can see, Mr. Kapoor. So it definitely was a star-studded evening, and the night was certainly full of stars. Everybody from Jitinder to Dilip Kumar, Saira Banu, this generation, the generation before it, and of course all the lovely ladies, all of them from Yash Chopra's movies had come out. But right at the top, of course, were the stars of the movie. That is Anushka, Katrina and our man Shah Rukh Khan. But before them, leading the way, Pamela Chopra and Uday Chopra. The first ones to walk the red carpet, followed by, of course, the stars of the film. And well, were the stars looking pretty, or were the stars looking pretty? It makes you fall in love with love all over again, I'd say, this movie. And that's exactly what the stars were out for. Anushka on one side of Shah Rukh and Katrina Kaif on the other side, both looking like goddesses, both as beautiful as they can get. One, of course, in a shimmer that was all blue, and the other in, of course, colors of platinum and gold. And well, it was a night to remember. And here, of course, the big thing that happened. Mr. Bachchan came onto the red carpet, and Mr. Bachchan was welcomed in style. There you can see Rani Mukherjee walking into the red carpet. A Yash Chopra film. All the stars from his movies. Preeti Zinta too was there. Rekha Ji, of course, was also there. Simi Grewal, you name it, they were all there on the red carpet. All an ode to the man and his romance, the man and his movies, Yash Chopra. And welcoming them were, of course, Uday and his mother. But not only that, the stars of the movie too. Shah Rukh Khan there, Katrina Kaif, and Anushka Sharma. Anushka Sharma, of course, is lucky, I'd say, because, well, she certainly has become star of the stars after this. And the chamak has definitely risen. But what actually got everybody's attention on the red carpet was Aishwarya. She, of course, walked in. These are the visuals of her coming in. And yes, she met the Chopras and she met Shah Rukh Khan. But one person she kind of missed along the way. And was this intentional or not, we really do not know. But both the Bachchans, they seem to have missed Katrina Kaif. As you can see, Katrina Kaif is there in the visuals. She's talking to the other stars. But, well, as far as Aishwarya and Abhishek are concerned, they seem to have missed out on her. हो जाता है, बड़े बड़े स्टार सारे एक साथ होते हैं तो कभी कभी ऐसे हो जाता है. But that of course was repaired in just a jiffy when Abhishek came back, and he came back and met up with all of them, and all was finally repaired. But a star-studded occasion this, and one of the biggest in years. Of course, there's this whole talk going on right now about how this just might have been a meeting point for Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan, though Salman Khan, on his part at least, his publicist, has said that, well, nothing like this happened. Well, it certainly was the biggest premieres in a long time as far as Bollywood is concerned. But the stars were there, the action was happening on the red carpet, and what a premiere it was. Here are the stars talking about the big premiere.
ज़्यादा नहीं बोलेंगे, सिर्फ ये बोलेंगे कि हमारी फिल्म के द्वारा हम बहुत खुशी हो और हम अभी अंदर थिएटर देख के आए हैं. मैं दुनिया भर घुमा हूँ, हिट्स किया हुआ हूँ, दुनिया के सारे थिएटर देखे हैं, लेकिन जो रहमान जी, उदय चोपड़ा जी ने अंदर बनाया उससे खूबसूरत, मुझे लगता नहीं कि कोई भी थिएटर या ऐसा कोई जगह है जहाँ पे यश जी की पिक्चर वेरी एक्साइटेड. Everybody is very, very happy. This evening, I'm extremely thrilled because that's how YSG would have wanted us to be very happy at the release of this film. Of course, the fact that he's not here will be sorely missed, emotionally missed. But having said that, YSG would have wanted nothing else but to be able to have this kind of happiness.
I think it's amazing inside what the family have done, what Adi's done, what Pavanti's done. It's unbelievable. I know that personally that Adi's been kind of completely absent in the last week. His mind has been shut off apart from everything else except this premiere. That's where Yashi wanted it, and he wanted to do it in the best possible way he possibly could. And I'm just hoping that the whole evening is something to remember and that it comes up exactly as what Yashi would have wanted.
I think so. I mean, I've not seen anything as grand as this in my life at least, and I'm sure this is one of the most important nights of our life, if not the most.
And you being the eldest, I mean, we also haven't seen it.
Huh?
You being the eldest, we also haven't seen it.
Since I'm the older one, older than both of them, I can say that.
बिल्कुल ये एक बहुत ही खास दिन है हम सब के लिए. यश जी की आखिरी फिल्म हम देखने जा रहे हैं और कल रिलीज हो रही है. यश जी एक अपने आप में एक इंस्टीट्यूशन रहे हैं हमारी इंडस्ट्री के लिए, और कितने ही न्यू कमर्स को उन्होंने मौका दिया है, चांस दिया है, और हर एज ग्रुप के लोग उनके फैन रहे हैं. और हम सब बड़ी बेसब्री से इस फिल्म का इंतजार कर रहे थे. हमें दुख है कि ये उनकी आखिरी फिल्म है और आज इस रिलीज के मौके पर वो हमारे साथ नहीं है. लेकिन हमारी दुआ ये है कि वो जहां भी हैं वो खुश रहें और ये फिल्म उनकी इतनी कामयाब हो कि सारे रिकॉर्ड तोड़ दे, और जितनी फिल्में उन्होंने बनाई हैं आज तक उन सबसे आगे निकल जाए.
If you go inside and eventually see what it looks like, I don't think there has been a premiere like this ever. I mean, the way the cinema has been done, the love at which the family has come together to do this as an ode and honor, a celebration to the greatest living legend of Hindi cinema. And I think nobody deserves it more than Yash Chopra. And it's very strange, but I still feel that he's going to come walking through this red carpet at some point. I can't believe he won't be here to see it, though I know he is. And I hope that the family really kind of knows how much love he has coming his way. And it's so wonderful to see the entire film fraternity turn up and show up with just one emotion in their hearts: love for him, love for his cinema, and love for his film that's going to release this Diwali. He has made the Indian woman look so spectacular through his 52-year career that nobody, I don't think anybody who's lived and has lived the moments around Yash Chopra will not turn up tonight. I think इस फिल्म में मैं ये कहूँगा और ताकत से ये कह सकता हूँ कि मोहब्बत जिस तरह मोहब्बत यश चोपड़ा ने बड़े पर्दे पे दिखाया वो कोई नहीं दिखा, वो किसी में मजाल ही नहीं कि जिस तरह की मोहब्बत उन्होंने दिखाया है वो और कोई कर ही नहीं सकता। तो मोहब्बत की मुझे लगता है कि मोहब्बत की अंत हो चुकी है ऑन सिनेमा, बिकॉज यश चोपड़ा वाज द ओनली मैन who could pull off love and मोहब्बत the way he did। तो आज मैं कहूँगा कि हम सब उनके बच्चे हैं, हम सब उनके स्टूडेंट्स हैं। तो जो भी हमने सीखा है हम कोशिश तो जरूर करेंगे, लेकिन जिस तरह की मोहब्बत वो प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं, और आज आप खुद फिल्म में देख लोगे कि जिस तरह का प्यार और मोहब्बत वो प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं, वो कोई फिल्म मेकर मैं दावे से कह सकता हूँ ना कर चुका है ना करने वाला।
They are grand people, they are grand company, so obviously everything is going to be huge, and PSG was always known to make their film in such a big and a huge way, so I'm expecting that.
Jiya jiya re jiya re jiya jiya re jiya re jiya jiya re jiya re jiya oh.
Yeah, it's not just a tribute. What we decided as a family was to celebrate this, our father, to celebrate a man who's been loved by this industry, who's been in this industry for so many years, who's had a body of work. So it's like to make people think of him with a smile on their face, because that's what he was about. He was full of life, full of energy. I mean, whenever you met him, that's the image you have of him. So we want to leave people with that. Of course, we've as a family mourned his passing, but now it's time to celebrate him. It's now to celebrate the film that he finished as his last movie. So we just feel that this is an apt moment to just get everybody that he worked with, everybody who loves him, and just come and say, hey, this is his last movie, and come and enjoy it. I mean, I think everything, yes, my dad was about beauty. It was about, relationships, and it was about making people feel good. And that's what this is about. And what we've done is just not left any stone unturned to make sure that everybody who comes here today enjoys and participates in that Yash Chopra feeling.
I am just really looking forward to see the film. मैं बहुत बड़ा fan हूँ यश जी का, और he has always celebrated life.
बस मैं इतना ही कह सकता हूँ कि आज की शाम I think is definitely the most important evening for all Indian cinema viewers, and obviously all the Indian cinema holders. It's been a beautiful journey, I think, for Yash uncle, and I think the slogan for the film goes beautifully for man, Mr. Yash Chopra.
काफी एक्साइटेड हूँ मैं फिल्म देखने के लिए। यश अंकल बड़े एक्साइटेड थे इस फिल्म को लेके, एंड आज रात आई थिंक एक फिल्म का प्रीमियर नहीं हो रहा है, इट्स अ सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ मिस्टर यश चोपड़ा एंड हिज वर्क एंड हिज पर्सोना। सो बहुत हैप्पी और चाइल्ड लाइक थे वो, तो आज सब एक्साइटेड है उनकी ये फिल्म देखने के लिए। एंड मुझे हमेशा कहते थे कि मुझे इंडियन कपड़े पहनने चाहिए, और मैं इंडियन कपड़ों में अच्छी लगती हूँ, तो इसलिए आज मैंने सिर्फ उनके लिए एक साड़ी।
मैं क्या कह सकती हूँ, वो यश जी के बारे में अभी कोई कुछ नहीं कह सकता है। आई थिंक वो जरूर आज खुश होंगे, और वो आई एम श्योर वो यहाँ पर है और सबके साथ फिल्म in spirit at least. I think it's good that they are doing this, because Shahrukh ने मुझे बताया था कि he really wanted a very big premiere. He wanted the whole industry to come for this film. So I'm glad we are all here for him. अंदर जाके देखूंगी, क्योंकि उदय ने मुझे कहा था कि स्पेक्टेकुलर और पूरा स्टूडियो को उन्होंने थिएटर बना दिया है. So I'm really looking forward to this evening.
तेरी आंखों की नमकीन मस्तियां, तेरी हंसी की बेपरवाह गुस्ताखियां, तेरी जुल्फों की लहराती अंगड़ाइयां नहीं भूलूंगा मैं, जब तक है जान, जब तक है
अब लड़ाइयां तो चल ही रही हैं, एंड इफ यू कांट गेट मुंबई देन व्हाट डू you go to Patna, bhai saab, and that's exactly what the Son of Sardar and the team did, and we caught them on flight, and here they are talking with us and enjoying the multitude quite literally when they landed in Patna.
Son of Sardar with daughter of Bihar in Patna. Chalo. सलाम पटना, ये पटना की घटना। किरदार पार्टी को तैयार दिल बनियाना, बार बार रौनक हर महफिल किया। सनम सरदार
बहुत न्यारा है। बिहार हमारी कमजोरी है, बिहार हमारी मजबूती है। और वहाँ पे आज अजय देवगन का तो खैर पहली बार आगमन हुआ है इस नालंदा और चाणक्य और चंद्रगुप्त और अशोका की भूमि बिहार और पटना में, और खासकर सन ऑफ सरदार के साथ यहाँ पे मत्था टेकने आए अपने गुरुद्वारे में। हमारी बेटी सोनाक्षी सिन्हा का तो खैर ये अगर पटना की ना भी हो, अगर ना भी हो तो कम से कम बिहारी बाबू की बेटी है। शहर अगर पिता का हो तो उसकी कुछ बात ही अलग होती है।
बिल्कुल बात अलग होती है, बट ये देखो ना, इतना प्यार इतना सम्मान जो दे रहे हैं, ये इसीलिए दे रहे हैं क्योंकि बिहारी बाबू की बेटी है। एंड जो इनका समर्थन रहा है, जो इनका प्यार रहा है पहली फिल्म से लेकर अब तक, वो मतलब मैं बहुत खुश नसीब हूँ।
कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ये सवाल So we are just on the way back from Patna. It was hectic, tiring, fabulous because there were because the kind of crowd which was there. I mean, they were all overjoyed and happy about it. But Sonakshi is sleeping because she is very tired. So let's have a conversation with Sonakshi while she's sleeping. Would you like to hear her snore? No, you can sleep. Why are you sleeping?
Because I'm tired.
Why are you tired?
Because I got thrown around all days, all day.
Had fun, no?
Yeah, lots. Good fun it was. We enjoyed ourselves. We went to the. Not counting.
Yeah. So much.
Sorry. So yeah, we went to the Gurdwara and then we went to where we went for the press con. Then we went
for a press con. We went for a press con.
Then the publication, and yeah, now we're here, and all that took one long day in Patna. So yeah, that's why I'm sleeping.
I think 30,000 people.
Oh.
So it feels good, but it's still tiring. Let's ask the director. What did he feel? Aye, sir.
Yes, sir.
How was Patna?
Patna was like a fabulous Patna. And this is the best thing I could have seen during the release of Son of Sardar. Fantastic experience. Just because of Mr. Devan, my actor, producer, Sonakshi, sleeping Sonakshi, and Shatruji. We had a fantastic outing in Patna.
अजय सरदार पर जोक तो करना, पर झुक कर मत समझना, क्योंकि सरदार के दस्तार में हाथ उठाएगा तो सरदार उठा देगा।
सरदार जी कभी हंस भी लिया करो।
Son of Sardar with daughter of Bihar in Patna. Bye, thank you.